Assalamu alaikum. I am Safina of Standard 7th. I am from Sirat English School. I am here to present our model, which is the heart. The heart is the fist-sized organ that pumps blood throughout your body. It's the primary organ of your circulatory system. Now, we will see the mechanism of the heart. So, the deoxygenated blood from the body goes to the superior vena cava, and the superior vena cava takes the blood to the right atrium, and right atrium passes the blood to the right ventricle through the tricuspid valves, and the right ventricle takes the blood to the pulmonary artery, and pulmonary artery passes the blood to the lungs, where the lungs purify the blood and convert the deoxygenated blood into oxygenated blood. Then the pulmonary vein carry the oxygenated blood to the left ventricle. From the left ventricle it goes back to aorta, and aorta passes the blood all over the body. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I am Namra of Standard 5th, and this is my friend Arwa of Standard 5th. We are from Asrat English School. We are here to present our model, which is the respiratory system. The respiratory system is a network of organs and tissues that help you breathe. The respiratory system has many functions besides helping you inhale, breathe in, and exhale, breathe out. It delivers oxygen to the cells in our body. It removes waste gases, including carbon dioxide, from the body when we exhale. The respiratory system has many different parts that work together to help you breathe. Each group of parts has many separate components like mouth and nose, trachea, bronchus, lungs, ribs, alveoli, and diaphragm. Mouth and nose, opening that pull air from outside your body into your respiratory system. Trachea. Trachea is a passage that allows air to pass through it. Further, trachea is divided into two tubes called as bronchial and connected to each lung. One of a pair of organs in the chest that supplies body with oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from the body. Ribs. One of a curved bone in a cage-like structure that protects our internal organs. Alveoli. When the air reaches to the alveoli, the oxygen separated out from the air and supplied into blood cells. The alveoli is the main spot of respiration. Diaphragm. Diaphragm is a muscle beneath the lungs. It contracts when we inhale and it expands when we exhale. Thank you.